I knew you were the guy for this job. Hey, quick thing. You're probably going to notice some giant trucks rumbling by out there. That's just because we're clearing a little patch of trees for my credit operation. No big deal. You're cutting out trees? Oh, yeah, well, just a few. Nothing to worry about. You know, it's actually going to improve the park quite a bit. I'll bet you one of the first things you notice as head ranger is that you need more clear spaces here, and you are absolutely right. Now you can host concerts and Boy Scout jamborees. That's a pretty smart move there, Head Ranger Jones. Some other park improvements are on right too. Oh, splendid, yes. And I have a few moments to hear those. Why don't you look into the security arrangements tomorrow? I'll be what things I have to say. What do you got? I'm hungrier than the average bear. I wish I could find a bush that tasted like fruit.
What the wolf?
Come on, you look in.
No. Yes.
Oh, get out.
Never pausing the video or deleting it. I'm not deleting my channel. I'm not deleting my channel. No more.
I already deleted it for you
No, it doesn't.
when you were asleep last night.
What video?
I said I deleted it last night. Yep, when you were asleep. When you were asleep.
That isn't lie. Okay, I'm not.
Magic. Are you serious?
What?